Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in day 13 of the Junk Journal January hosted by Meg of Meg Journals. And our prompt for today is opaque. So I hope everybody's doing great. And without further ado, let's get started. All right. So I have got these clear die cuts. It's just like an acetate. They're not stickers. So I am going to, I was testing my pen there. So I'm going to turn them, let me get a bigger piece of paper, just some scrap. And I am going to paint them from the back. No, so let's see which is, I don't think it matters which way. I'll probably want them coming out that way. So I'm going to start with my green, and I'm just going to do these little leaves with my Posca paint pens. And I hope this works. But I hope everybody's doing great. I'm doing good. Our snow is gone. You might see just a tiny bit of leftover in the shade. But it's supposed to get in the 50s today, and it's supposed to be in the 60s later on this week, and then next week it's going to be back down in the 20s and rain and expecting snow again. So we'll just have to wait and see if that changes. I've been praying for our California friends. That is just so scary. So scary and so unnecessary. People would just do their job. Okay. Not a whole lot's been going on here. I am doing this Sunday. I've been a little behind. I might be getting it up, but working on it later than I normally work on it. I usually don't do too much crafting on Sunday. But I didn't feel real well yesterday, so I didn't do any crafting yesterday. But I feel better today. I went to church this morning. All right, just gonna go through this. Let's see. Try to make sure I get the leaves. Tell what I'm painting. And I will get the stems too. Okay. And you'll see that's what it'll look like on the front. I may have to do more than one coat. Let's see if my white works. And I think I'll do the flower in white. At least most of it. that looks. I like that. So I have this one, and I have one other one. I have to find it. There it is. So I will paint these. I won't make you sit and watch me do that, and I'll be back. All right. I have finished painting them, and I am just letting them dry. Finish drying. I'll show them to you. Got that one. I think they turned out real cute. And I have got this one. And then, of course, the one I showed you before. That one. So now I want to get down my background papers. So I want to just fussy tear this out. Maybe. And this, I think I want to fussy tear around it. Just to give it a little bit more interest. Not loving the straight edges on this one because I've got that little spot there. And I want to ink around these. I know this is kind of sideways, but I think once you start putting the flowers down, you won't really notice it. Let's see if there's anything else I want to add. To my background. Okay, I could tear that. Like that. Maybe just a little bit more. Got one on top. Okay, I like that. And I don't know whether to just leave that or see what else I have. Let me see here. I like that. I'm kind of thinking I might bring that one out onto the vellum. Yeah, I like that. So let me get these down. So I'm just going to use my art glitter glue. I think I say it'll be quicker as if the glue will come out. If you be sure and check out Meg's channel at Meg's Journals, and be sure and check out the hashtag Junk Journal January, see what everyone else has made. I have found some wonderful, wonderful creators by watching this. And I've been very thankful that I have gained a lot of subscribers through this challenge. And it just means the world to me. You just don't know. Goodness, I don't know why I'm having such a hard time with my glue. Let me see if I can just take this thing off. Sometimes that tip's more trouble than it's worth. I mean, it's great when you need just small piece, but only if it works. All right, got that. Let's see here. Get this down. And got that down. right, now, and I do clean out that nozzle. It doesn't seem to help a whole lot. Now I need some double-sided tape, and I know there we go. I knew I had some. And I think that's what I'm going to use to put this down so it won't show so much. And I'll put that there. And you've got your opaque because you can't see through it. Oh, I smeared it. I knew I was going to do that somewhere along the way. Let me see. It's just that one little spot, and I don't think you'll be able to tell it. All right. Cute. Okay, now I wonder, maybe some words, maybe? I like this one. All the world is beautiful. And let me cut that apart. Like that. I will go around it. And I'll just use it for ease of not dealing with the art glitter glue. I'll just add a little bit of glue stick to it. So I say, all right. And now I'm just going to take my gel pen. All right. So this is day 13, and I need to put my stamp on, stamp my date. can call it done. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Take care. I love you. Be sure and check out Meg's channel at Meg's Journals, and be sure and check out the hashtag Junk Journal January to see what everyone else has made. So until next time, bye y'all. I realized I almost forgot the most important thing. The splatters. Let me get this going. And we will add that to finish it off. And I'm going to splatter that too. And I just want to hit the edges there. I love the gold on that brown paper. I think that's pretty. Okay. Now I'll say that's done. I hope you saw that because I ran out of room on my phone. So I had to delete a few things. But here is my finish. It just feels complete with the splatters. So once again, I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care. I love you. And until next time, bye y'all.